Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how you can fetch and manage your Indiamart leads easily. You can fetch your current leads, as well as old leads up to last 1 year, with the help of SXC Business Suite. So, log in with your username and password into SXC Business Suite, and go to the Sales module. Now we shall go to the Opportunities screen, in the Sales module. Here you shall see there are 2 tabs. One for the existing leads, and another for fetching and managing Indiamart leads. We shall go to the Indiamart Leads tab. Here, we have to click the Fetch Indiamart Leads button, and the system shall fetch all your leads from indiamart.com for the given date range. Since I had already fetched the leads recently, I shall click the Load Saved Leads button to show the already fetched leads that have not been allocated to any users yet. Then you can allocate the leads to your users in your sales or marketing team. They can then work on these leads and keep on updating each lead with the required details. The stages of progress of the lead can be updated, and these stages can be configured as per your sales cycle. The salesperson can update the contact details, the interests of the prospect, the status of this lead, remarks, dates, and other required information. The users can also further allocate these leads within their team to second-level users, who shall then be responsible to work on them and update the details. If you choose to use some of the advanced functionality, then you can also update and track the activities that have been done on a lead, like phone calls, meetings, emails, etc., with their respective dates and remarks as well. There are further details of each lead that can be viewed and updated, like the Indiamart original query data, the documents, or websites of the prospect. You can also manage your leads from other sources here, and update the source of the lead in the source field. This way you can track the return you are getting from various marketing campaigns you might be running from time to time. If you want to export the Indiamart queries data into Excel for your further marketing needs, you can use custom reports in the My Report screen to do the same. Only the users who have the right to export the data can export this data in Excel from here. These custom reports can be made specifically for your business needs to track and manage the leads on a periodic basis. You can also use the Excel style filters and multi-level sorting features in the report screen itself for analyzing your data here itself. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good day.